Hi, this is Christine on Christine and the Cheap. I just wanted to kind of show you what I was making with Easter decorations. And this is basically like my little workstation that I do the gluing and spraying outside, though, the can spray. But just the creative ideas that I have. My color themes were these, and I sprayed a lot of things with that. Um, even these are old eggs, and I just put popsicle sticks in the bottom, but I colored them, trying to coordinate some of these colors as well as the rabbits and old eggs that I had as well. The ones right here are going to be actually stuck in the ground. I have a whole bunch of them. I'm just having the glue dry. And then back here is basically what I used are Dollar Trees. And these are also Dollar Trees where I was trying to coordinate some of the colors. I did use the other colors as well. I have been decorating, so basically just wanted to show you what I got. A bunch of different flowers that I'm utilizing. This is actually I just got from Dollar General. Let me just move that. That I'm going to put in the front. It's a pretty good size, so I'm going to do that. This is like all my different craft ideas, pipe cleaners, different things that I got from the Dollar Tree that I utilize. Like I utilize this to get the shape of the ears for one particular thing that I did. Some of the hanging flowers that I'm intending on using as well. I'm not completely done yet since it's a little early for me to be putting things out, but I'm going to do it probably tomorrow, the next day, but it's still early. And then what I did was I really decorated up this lantern. I could not open this, so it is enclosed, so I just kind of decorated it all on the outside with the bow that I made. And these are little spritzes that I had from a year or two ago that I liked the colors and thought they were good for Easter. Now again, here's a little stash too that I made, another very nice looking bow. Then these are actually from the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to stash these into the planners. And then I made this too, and I'll show you what it looks like on the outside, trying to match again the colors, but this is going to be hanging outside on a planner too. But it's mainly just cutting and gluing things that I already had. Okay, now this is something else that I made, and this is actually from the Dollar Tree. The cubes are actually from dice, plastic dice, and then the little things that are inside. These, like here, were Dollar Tree. These I had, oh my goodness, at least 20 years. And I just thought that would look really cool with it saying hop on that. And then of course the purple flowers I got from Walmart's. They were really reasonable price too. I just cut them up to kind of hide the wood block that I have holding up the hop, because it's down further. This is actually meant for pictures. So I just kind of boosted it up a little bit. It's the dining room, and I just made this little arrangement on the buffet. And basically I had tulips from, what, 2 years ago maybe it was, those, and they still look pretty good. So then I actually wrapped it in pink ribbon and put a bow on it and just laid it down rather than putting it in a vase. This I got at the Target for $5, the base. And then, of course, the little yellow flowers I got from the Dollar Tree. Now, those little two bunnies that I have, those are actually very old, and I just spray painted it. I went to Hobby Lobby and started writing down what they had. And I'm like, oh, I could make that. I could make that. The ears actually are from Michael's. It is it is actually, it looks like metal, but in the back, it's paper. So it's actually paper from the scrapbooking type thing. And then I put in little grass that was, I had actually cut out. And then the carrots are, my Dollar Tree no longer has the carrots. So, you know, when you see things, you got to get them done like right away. But this, I actually had these from last year because I knew something was going to happen. But I just painted these. That's all I did. And then I used a magic marker and glued the back. That's it. So actually, this is all Dollar Tree stuff still. And then the tray is, of course, from a thrift store. And I just wanted to show you what I did in our front door for Easter. Just different flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree and the ribbons I got from the Dollar Tree. Just to give you some ideas. Even the wreath was all from the Dollar Tree, and the pieces just hot gluing, cutting. And this is the other side of the door. Now, the lantern I had gotten at a thrift store, and it doesn't open like I had said previously. I just made, you know, a nice bow from the Dollar Tree ribbon, and also the little spritzes that are there, the purple and yellow, that's also from the Dollar Tree. This sign, though, I got for $8 at Dollar General, which I thought was a really good price. But it goes really nice. But this is our front door, basically, one on one side, and then you got it on the other side for Easter. Very pretty colors, I like them. Okay, this will be the last part. This is actually in our bedroom. I had bought this fireplace for like $50, and then I got the little lantern as a gift from my daughter. The wood piece there is actually from Hobby Lobby. That was like $10. There's only 3 pieces. And the other part, that black scallop part, is actually from a thrift shop. But I made it look like a grade, but it actually is shelving, metal shelving. And then what I did here was at the Dollar Tree, I used little shells that are sprinkly, and I put beads in between with ribbons on the side. Now that I saw at Hobby Lobby too. And then about a year or 2 ago, I made these pictures. I spray painted them silver, the frames, and I used the speckled eggs again and the carrots to put it in a frame. I thought that was cute when I saw it a couple years ago. I'm mainly just using it in our bedroom right now because I don't feel the same way. But then those other 2 pieces that are in there, they're like snow globes. Well, they are so old that the globe part water is getting real funky looking inside. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do next year. But right now it's a lot of nice memories. Have a good day. Christine on the cheap. Bye-bye.